rotation. So we start doing pendulum, compression, rotation, pendulum, compression, rotation, pendulum, compression, rotate, pendulum, compression. And let's do it with the timing of rumba. 2 and 3 and 4, 2 and 3 and 4. So the basic timing of rumba is a quick, quick, slow. Or if we put numbers, it's going to be 2, 3, 4, 1. 4, 1 being as a one step. So if we introduce action to our dancing, it's very recommended to count it with a specific count. So on count 2, we're going to have our pendulum action. On count and, we're going to have our compression. On count we're going to have rotation. So we have 2 is the pendulum change. On and, we compress. On we rotate. 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and this and it's already more has to do with the body action rather than legs. Okay, so let's move on to the other steps. So when we already know that we have a natural turnout, we know that we have our knees bending and straight. Now we know 3 main actions, which is a pendulum, compression, rotation, pendulum, compression, rotation. As we do it, you notice that the legs naturally start opening. So here, in order to prevent that, we're going to add one more important principle. It's not an action, but it's principle of brushing your inner thighs and legs, especially for the females, but for the guys, the same. So you don't want to be, as you change weight, having your legs open. And later on, when you dance, anytime one leg passing another leg, there should be always brushing sensation between your legs. So we add one more principle here. So number 1 will be feet turn out. Number 2, our knees, one bent and straight. And number 3 will be brushing your inner thighs as you transfer weight or as you take a step. Right now, we don't have any steps yet. We're just transferring weight, but we already can practice this. And if you feel this sound between your legs, this is very good sound. It means that you're brushing. So natural turnout together with the correct knee action and with the brushing will already give you a very nice, beautiful movement. So it's not only we learn a step, we learn how to do it, the secrets. And now if we add magic ingredients, which is the 3 magic ingredients, pendulum, compression, rotation, we have a pretty nice movement. Quick and slow, and quick and slow. And if we want to add a little bit more, this is just a technical level. Let's say if you want to add a little bit style arm, the principle for arm work is always shoulder goes first, elbow, then wrist, shoulder, elbow, then wrist. Then you can have a full body work just doing only one simple movement. 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I will have a special lecture how to do arms, but this is just a basic understanding. For now, if you have your arms here and they just naturally react to the body, that will be more than enough. So now, how can we take this experience and teach ourselves how to dance anything with a lot of style? So all we have to remember that we have our main principles, which is a natural turnout, our knee action, and we have our brushing here, brushing. So this is a major principles. Combined with the actions, which is a changing pendulum, compressing, rotating, we can any step make it look very beautiful. So for example, what is the next step in Rumba which worth mentioning? It's Cuban rock. So if we open our feet like this and we have a split weight position, so now, number 1, let's pay attention to our foot turnout. So we don't want to be here. Always check your feet. Wherever you learn any step or you dance, is your feet a natural turnout? Very good. So feet in natural turnout. That's principle number 1. Principle number 2, it's your knee action. So for this particular step, and because we're dancing international style of rumba, you want to keep your two knees straight. Also, I give you later in other lessons